Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with a BRS Eon. This is the E-Volve line. Here with me for a quick review. And you know what? Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment down below, and let's do this. Let's check this out, guys. BRS Blade Runners system, 3.5 inch for the M390 steel blade, and 4.5 for the integral titanium handle, 8.25 overall in length for this Elijah Isham designed integral folder. It's a pretty cool one, guys, especially if you consider the price. It's gonna be around 300 bucks. This thing, it's made in China, of course. Really well made, integral, nicely milled. Look at that, 3D milling going on. This is your like collar. Actually, this is like just to cover the stop pin, which is right there. There you go. M390 blade, nice cut out, pretty cool Stonewash finish going on. Stainless steel lock face insert. You have a titanium milled pocket clip. The lanyard hole is milled through the heel of the handle. Look at that. Pretty cool. You can see through this area, and of course this is an integral knife, and it's running on bearings. Pretty thick one. The flipper tab, it's okay. It's gonna work mainly for like a light switch mechanism, but not so much for the push button. So the action is all right. There's no way I can spidey flick it, or like, just if this cutout would have been a little bit lower, yes, but no, you're gonna have to stick with the flip. The lock bar access, it's not ideal, but still it's not too bad. Overall, the design is looking good. I like these lines, and being an integral, it's there's quite some heft to it, but it's not too bad. Let's actually see how much this guy is gonna be weighing in your pocket, like 4.48 ounces, so not too bad. And for this knife, it's all right because it looks good. The action is also very interesting. It's not like perfect, but definitely very good. So there you have it. If you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.